Lakeland and Black Valley Railroad has potentially been saved. After years of service on this railroad and a scary detriment, this railroad may have just found its new lifeline. The coal mines are only good during the winter, and with it not being winter, we're really not seeing a whole lot of coal traffic. But a brand new customer has opened up in Gray Plant, a logging sawmill area. So we get the logs from Greenfield, very end of the line, as you see down here. Hold on. We get all of our logs from right here. Let me take my charger out. We get all of our logs from right here, and they go to Gray Plant to go to the sawmill, which get turned into boards, which we deliver to Blue Cliff to interchange. We got the farmers now getting ready to sell all their crops by rail, and that has severely boosted our economy as well. And without further ado, a brand new power plant has been built as well, and it's actually now serviceable by our railroad, which we'll use with our own coal cars to service this industry to power this entire map. We'll still interchange coal with the Baltimore and Chesapeake Railroad, but for now, it looks like things are going up and up for the Lakeland and Black Valley Railroad. And who knows, maybe it will require for them to get more motive power as well. But right now, this train is just sitting in Central. I had to pick up some tanker cars that are loaded with crude oil that are going to Black Valley. There's a forward signal. And there she goes. Quite a few logs going to the sawmill, actually. Looks like we got 2 storage box cars, empty hoppers for the farmers, and the loaded crude oil at the back. This railroad has seen its fair share of struggles, and I'm just glad we are able to save this railroad from going under. I might have to check things with the Maryland and Western Pacific Railroad, because I've heard they've been struggling as well. Oh well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a good night.